Another big takeaway from week 4 was the importance of selection of a data collection system. This is because observation and measurement make it possible to accurately determine the effects of a particular strategy or intervention, and it really tells us if something is working, if it's not, where we need to go from there. So learning exactly what type of data we can take and figuring out how it can best fit into our settings was really important for me. So frequency is the number of times a behavior is engaged in. So I think about this in terms of if a student is aggressing towards another staff or a peer, it might be easy to keep frequency data, or it might go on for a long period of time. So we may need to take duration data. A rate is frequently expressed in ratio with time. Latency is time between instruction and the occurrence. So I think about this in terms of non-compliance or off-task behavior. If you hand a student a task, you prompt them to do it, you give them the correct cue, and it takes them 5 minutes to be able to do it. Well, those 5 minutes is what we are tracking. And with different interventions, we can see if that time decreases or increases, and we can go from there. So those are just some of the things that I think about. And I think being able to collect the data in the most proper way and the way that best fits our needs is so important in order to get the best result. So I really loved learning about what type of data can be taken, what it's based off of, which is partly on the dimension and partly on convenience, and thinking about how it could work with my current students, but also thinking long term.